Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to set draft order in NFL Fantasy Football. Now it is important to note that your draft order is set prior to the draft according to your league settings. In NFL Managed Leagues, the draft order is randomized and you will discover your draft order once you log into the live draft client. But what happens if you're a commissioner or you have your league which you created? Well, as you can see at the top here in this drop down, you can see Thor's league, and this is the league that we created, while this is a managed league. If we are in this league, we basically don't have the option to set the draft. This will be set by the league commissioner or the person who created the league. We're currently in that setup because we have our league which we created. Now, if you want to set the draft order as a commissioner, you can click on manage. Once you log in, you can see the manage option here. Go click on manage. So we're going to scroll down to draft management and we're going to click on edit draft order. Great, so we've been taken to this page. You can see the draft order type and you can see the draft setup. Now at the top you can see the draft order type and then you can see that we're currently in custom. If you choose random snake, it says the snake draft order will be randomized 30 minutes prior to your draft time. The random linear is a setup where your order will be randomized 30 minutes to your draft time as well. Then you have the custom, where you as a commissioner can set a custom draft order, either by snake or by linear. Regardless of these options, you can come here and set the draft order according to your liking. You could decide to click randomize, where it will randomly set the draft order, or you can come over here and if you want to change team 6 from pick 1 to another pick, you can choose another team. So currently we can see team 10 in pick 2, and so we're going to choose team 10 and then come over to pick 2. And we have team 6 in pick 2 and team 10 in pick 1. This is how you get to set your draft order in NFL Fantasy Football. Once you're done, you can click on submit and you can take note of the warnings right here, which of course aligns with what you want to do. Go ahead and click on submit and this will set your draft order in the NFL Fantasy Football. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.